Hey everybody, Travis with Food Forest Design Solutions. And end of the day today, I think it's about 5:30. And didn't get done what I wanted. But I got the hard stuff done. A couple things to do in the morning, and then the rest is mulching and planting. So I got all the soil added to all these guilds. I don't have it spread out on all of them yet. It's just done. I have it in place. I just wanted to get that done today, but here, I'll turn you around and show you. We got there's cardboard under each of these. There's sheet mulch. Got some hazelnut trees back there. 3 of them. There's another one in the back there. And here, I gotta spread this soil out yet. So we got the 2 cherry trees. Got all the black and red currants and the circles, and then those are all raspberries on the hedge. It's gonna be a raspberry hedge. Another cherry tree, a couple gooseberries. And I'll be planting those gooseberries tomorrow too. They're just sitting in a hole right now. A couple gooseberries here. They're just sitting in a hole. And here's the fruit trees up here. Apple trees, plum trees, and honeyberries. And I gotta spread this out, and then this is gonna get mulched tomorrow. And yeah, I was on that bobcat all day today. My knees are junk. That thing really, there's a standing mini Kubota, and that thing jumps around like crazy. All right, coming to the front. There's my too much soil. And here's another guild here for the apricot tree, and then we're gonna have another one over here. But I'm gonna wait till I get that mulch moved before I put this one in. And then we got the tree over here we'll get tomorrow. We're gonna get that. It's gonna be a Hugo coulter, so I'll put the cardboard around there, and then I'll run around the property and get a bunch of stuff to put in there. And we should be good. I'm probably gonna be hiring a couple guys tomorrow to spread all this mulch on all those beds and get it done. And then we'll plant on Friday instead of tomorrow. So I'll be looking for some planting volunteers if anyone wants to plant. And long day today. And but that's it for today, and be back in the morning bright and early. Try to get out here at 7 and get started right away. Only have that mini bobcat till probably about 11 o'clock, maybe noon if I'm lucky, so I gotta get back here early and run that thing as much as I can and get done with what I can, get moved what I can. But we'll be back tomorrow, people. All my sweet safety glasses, you like them? But anyway, grow food, not lawns, my friends. Have an amazing night. See ya.